Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me. I really do appreciate it. Let me first off start this video by just saying excuse all of this. I'm having massive breakouts at the moment, and so this is why this looks like this. So we'll get it all covered up and all of that. But for today's video, I'm really excited because I am doing a collab with a friend here on YouTube. I had asked her if she would be interested in doing a collab with me, and she said yes. Her name is Sizemore. I will leave her channel linked down below for you guys. Really excited. She does really nice, beautiful eye looks. When she does her eye looks, I feel that they're just so effortless and they always just look so good. And so I was really excited when she said yes. We had several palettes alike, and so we decided to use the Morphe and Disney Mickey palette. This is the smaller palette, and this is what it looks like right there. Really pretty palette. I have done plenty of palette bingos on my channel. If you have been with me for some time, you know that I love palette bingos. I haven't done one in a very long time, and I just thought that it would be super fun for her and I to do. Since we're using the same palette, we can see what shades that we would get and see what kind of look we can create. And I love how it just takes you out of your comfort zone and you can get a look and use shades that you typically wouldn't gravitate towards. Now this palette does have two blacks, one matte and one shimmer. So I hope I don't get both blacks, but if I do, we're just gonna have to go with it. All her information will be linked down below. Definitely make sure to check her channel out. You will enjoy her channel. She does BoxyCharm unboxings, excuse me. She does vlogs, which are really fun. And she also does a lot of makeup looks on her channel. And she, like I said previously, she is really good at makeup. I'm just going to pull up a number generator. The palette has 9 shades, so I'm going to put 1 through 9. A little notepad. And we're just going to generate some numbers, and I'll write them down as they go. So we got shade 9, which is this one here. This is Icon Status, right there. And I'll swatch each of them to show you what they look like. And then we have 7, which is the Shimmer Black Edge Out. I was hoping I got this one, but I did not, so that's okay. Next shade is number 1, which I'm so glad about. It's that one right there, the all matte. Number 5, I got the matte red right there. Super happy about that. I was hoping I got at least one red. Wow. Number 4, I didn't get any of the yellows. I wish I got the yellows, but I did not. But I did get number 4, which is Oh Boy, and it's a beautiful silver. These are all the shades that I have to use for this look. Hopefully you can see that silvery shimmer right there. There's the shade black. This is like a taupey, the all over, and then the red. So those are the shades that I have to use in this look. I love palette bingos. They're just a fun way to get a nice look that you typically wouldn't. So I'm going to just go ahead and prime my eyes with my ABH primer. But just a little bit about Caitlin. She is a new mom, like I stated earlier in the video. I found her channel, I would say towards the end of last year. I can't recall exactly when it was, but I know it was the end of last year. And I saw that she was a smaller channel, and as you guys know, I love supporting smaller channels because I feel like these smaller channels have, you know, people that are really good and deserve more recognition, and they tend to get kind of pushed over, including myself, because of the bigger channels. So when I found her channel, I just thought that her content was really good. Like I said, she's really good at makeup, doing makeup, and so I was like, introduce myself, you know, to her. I will put her channel link down below for you and her Instagram. Definitely check her out. If her videos are videos that you enjoy, definitely subscribe. I definitely think you will enjoy them. I'm able to use this first shade, like I said, which is that all over, just kind of, this one's more on the whiter side. So I just went ahead with that and set that primer that I used. I'm going to do that red Hey Shorty. That's number 5. A little scared. So pigmented. It does have some kickback. And I'm just going to, oh my god. Oh my gosh, this is pigmented. Hopefully I can diffuse it enough. I mean, it blended out really nicely. Definitely not used to a shade like this, but oh my gosh, so pretty. The next shade, and I think I'm going to do this one right here all over the lid. Icon Status right there. It's a really pretty shade. I will say that it definitely goes on much better with the finger. So I'm going to now go into this shimmered black, and we're just going to place that on the outer parts of the eye. I don't know how far I want to take it in or out. We're just going to see what we come up with. Just want to deepen that outer part up just a little bit. So I'm just going to set it on there. Okay, so I got all the shades on. I'm going to go ahead and go off camera. I'm going to finish the base. I think I'm going to add some eyelashes. I want to go ahead and use some today. I will be back, guys, with the rest of my face done. Alright, friends, so I got the rest of the makeup on and everything, and I like the way that it came out. I think that I did go a little too high on the top of my lids with the red, but overall, I think it's not too bad. I want to show you the shades again, tell you where I placed them on the eyes and all of that. So first I started with this shade here. I put that all over the lid to set the primer. You guys saw that. Then I went into that red Hey Shorty, put that in the crease and brought it down. And then I took the Icon Status and I put that all over the lid. I took Oh Boy, which is a silvery one. It actually came off a little different. I don't know if it's because I had the red underneath or what. But when I went ahead and put it on top of that, it kind of made it like a pinky or iridescent color, which is really, really pretty in my opinion. And then I took the black edge out, which is like a shimmer black, and I very so lightly put that on the ends of the eye because I didn't want to overdo it. I just wanted a little bit of definition and depth there, so that is what I did there. And then I did take the Hey Shorty, which is that red, the black, and the silver. The black on the outer inner is the red, and the inside is that real pretty silvery shimmer color. So overall, I will say that I do like the look. I still feel like I went a little bit too high in my own personal opinion with the red. I did try to blend it out as much as I possibly can. It just is a really pigmented and bright red. I know when I go to take this off tonight, I'm probably going to have a little bit of problems, but that is okay. That does not bother me. I really do enjoy this palette. All the shades that I used were really, really pigmented. I will say that they had fallout, which is typical with Morphe, but they weren't hard to blend or anything like that. They were really easy to blend together and to make a look. So I'm really, really happy to have this in my collection. I did get that on sale at Ulta sometime back in my Ulta Points haul for like $7 or maybe less than that, using my Ulta Points and a coupon. So I'm really happy to have it. So let me just go into the rest of the face real quick. For face primer, I used 2 primers, the NYX Marshmallow Primer right there, and I used the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Setting Mist, Dewy Setting Mist. I'm trying to finish this up because I have had it in my collection for some time. I absolutely love it. I think it's a great primer, and I do love the NYX one as well. It's so creamy and so velvety and so hydrating, so if you have dry skin, you will probably really, really enjoy this primer. For foundation, I took the Forever Dior foundation. This is in the shade 1N right there. I am almost done with this foundation. You could see that I'm literally right, that's how much I have left. So I'm working on finishing this up. This would be the first actual foundation that I have finished up that I can recall. For my face, took this Be Bella Snatch and Sculpt Color Squad right here, and I used everything in here. I took these 2 shades here, blended them together for bronzing on the skin. I used this setting powder to kind of carve my cheekbones out, and then this highlighter all over the face. Really, really nice palette. Super happy to have that. And I forgot to tell you that to set my face with the foundation, I just used my project powder that I'm currently, that's in a project that I'm almost done with, the Absolute powder from Lancome. And then for my under eyes, I just used my e.l.f. one that I always use. And then for blush, I use my Laura Lee. You guys know this is currently in a project as well. I just use Caramel Cream, Tiger Lily, and Chateau Rose all together. So this one, and this one, I just kind of blended them together and put them on the cheeks. Concealer, I just used my Julep Cushion Complexion Concealer. I'm almost done with this as well, so I'm trying to finish that one up. The falsies that I used today are from Lashbox when I used to get a subscription from them, and I have used these before in the past. These are in the style First Date. That is what the packaging looks like. I'll show you what the lashes look like when I come in closer. They are very, very long. They're not super full. They're kind of spread out, but they're so, so long. I wouldn't say they're my absolute favorite. They're not hard lashes to work with. They do have a soft band. They're very beautiful. But for me, they're just a little too long, so this will probably be my last time wearing them. I believe this is my 2nd time since I've had them. But it'll probably be my last just because they're not my cup of tea. They're just a little bit too long for my liking. So I'll probably pass them on to somebody. I'll clean them real good and pass them if somebody wants them. My brows, I use my same products, my Juvia's Place and my ColourPop Tinted Brow Wax. And then I did go ahead and tightline with the LA Girl Gel Liner in black. I just did this on the top of my lash line. I didn't want to do it on the bottom because I just felt like I didn't need it. And then for lips, I just used, again, it's in my project. This is the LA Girl Perfect Precision Lip Liner in Bare. I just took that there. And my MAC Viva Glam lipstick right there. You guys know that I had told you this is in a project as well. Just trying to get use out of those. So I figured it's a perfect lip combo in my opinion for the kind of look that I did. So let me come in closer, show you guys the overall finished look. So as you guys can see how long they are. I mean, they're super, super long. They're absolutely beautiful. So I just want to say thank you to Caitlin. Thank you so much for doing this collab with me. I really do appreciate it. This is our first of many. I cannot wait to see your look. I know it's going to be beautiful. I'm super excited to see what colors, what shades that you got. Let me know what you guys think about this look. Wait to hear your thoughts, Caitlin, what you think about the look, your honest thoughts. Like I said, I like the look. I just feel like I went a little too high with the red. I should have kept it a little lower, but It's stuck on there. I tried cleaning it as much as I can, but it doesn't want to budge. It's a very pigmented and deep shade, so it's not like one that you can just move around. So if you don't know Caitlin, definitely go check out her channel. I really think that you guys will enjoy her channel. I would love for you to subscribe to her. Don't forget to check out her video as well. Again, her information will be linked down below for you guys. She definitely has a great channel in my opinion. I do enjoy her videos. The type of videos that she posts are a variety. She does vlogs. She shares what it's like to be a mom to an infant little boy. There's that type of information with you guys. All around, I do enjoy her channel. If you did enjoy this video, I would love for you to give it a thumbs up. Also, if you're not subscribed, I would love for you to subscribe. I'd love you to join my channel over here. And if I do have videos that you would enjoy, things that you would like to see, definitely would love you to subscribe. But if you do not, then no worries. Thank you so much for visiting. If you are from Caitlin's channel, thank you so much for stopping by and visiting. Let her know down in the comments that you did come over from my channel. I would really appreciate it. So guys, this is going to complete this video for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.